Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Sims mobile application on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in The Sims Mobile and search. Look for this application from Electronic Arts and tap on the download button to start downloading the Sims mobile application on your iOS device. Wait until the app is downloaded and installed, which might take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. The Sims Mobile is a popular life simulation game developed by Maxis and published by Electronic Arts. It is available for mobile devices running iOS and Android operating systems. In the game, players create and customize their own virtual characters known as Sims and guide them through various activities and life events. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the Sims mobile app on your iOS and enjoy. That is how you can easily download the Sims mobile application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.